What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. Let me come back with another video. Hey man, look. So the video before this, the female cop, you see it in the title, man. I ain't gotta say it. I'm trying to get monetized, right? So now we got the death by the cheeks. Of course, the facial cheeks, right? Monetization. Shout out to O'Shea Duke Jackson. First off and foremost, this video wouldn't be possible without him. But listen, man, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn on post notifications. Y'all, listen. You spending 8 hours on YouTube scrolling. You need to subscribe to upnextmalyt because I upload minimum 10 videos under 24 hours. So you're never going to be bored. You're never going to be bored. You're always going to be entertained, right? You're always going to have something to watch, right? But not even that, bro. You're wasting your life. You might as well subscribe and turn on post notifications and just, not miss one video, right? Let's hop straight into it, though.
And a woman in good story.
I had to like separate this. I'm like, this is a whole nother video, let's run it.
Next story. Now, guys, we got a really good story because that is actually right next to my home state, California. And I believe in this particular instance, we have somebody in Nevada doing something very interesting. A man and a woman. Give them a round of applause. And yes, it is some sexual activity. Another round of applause.
Hey, come on. This video trying to get monetized. You gotta chill, Shay. You gotta chill. This ain't none of that activities, man. Look, this is for educational purposes only. This ain't explicit material. This is educational purpose only.
It's just that the man and the woman, the man is actually married, but he's not with his wife. So it's not a good idea. But he is clapping cheeks. What the clapping sounds?
Right here.
The problem is he died. But wait, that ain't the end. Typically when you die, that is the end, but not in this story because this is the Dusty News Network and that ain't the dusty part. Guys, this one is quite dusty. Now you see this lady, Jennifer Jacoby, is suing the Venetia Hotel after her husband, Jeffrey Jacob, literally died while, what the clapping sounds? Clapping a prostitute. Okay. Now, basically, what he ended up doing, he linked up, he was cheating on his wife, linked up with a prostitute, and basically, instead of worrying about getting his Johnson together,
this is educational, okay? This is teaching y'all what not to do in life. This ain't got nothing to do with what he did. It just what not to do in life, all right? I'm just throwing that out there for YouTube and anybody else who's viewing this. This is educational purpose.
Decided to use some fentanyl. And once he took that fentanyl, it was
some fentanyl. Took the fentanyl.
It was all over, right? The lawsuit that she has filed against the Venetian says that he was doing a BYOB, bring your own babe operation, basically letting prostitutes roam free. The wife is saying that if the hotel had done its job in cracking down on these activities, her husband wouldn't have been lured into basically overdosing on that damn fentanyl. Stop the show. If they got the prostitutes out there in the lobby, my question on fentanyl, but I do want some cheeks. What is $1,000 out of his bank account before his 8-minute room clap session ended with his life. Now, I mean, she's saying that if the hotel was doing their job, he wouldn't have been doing what he was doing. But hold on, honey. If you was doing your job, he wouldn't have been over there booty clapping it up. Damn, the Venetian Hotel gets sued and the Venetian didn't have anything to do with it. The man died based on a fentanyl overdose. What in the hell was he trying to do besides clap cheeks? He ended up with his life getting clapped, but that's crazy to sue the hotel because your husband died in the hotel with a prostitute? I mean, damn, boo. That's That's crazy. I don't want to talk ill of the dead, but what a way to go. Next story. Imagine.
Hey, listen, bro. This it's a great story because let me tell y'all. Shit, I don't know. It's just what not to do. Hey, you talking about this is what not to do. This is what not to do when you married. Listen, you went out so bad. The dude died off fentanyl. He went out so bad. I mean, the bruh died. I'm trying to figure out how she get to sue the hotel. Listen, folks get to suing for anything. Folks get to suing for anything. I swear to God, it's a law for everything. I feel like if you just want to sue something, you could just sue it, whether it be your job, your workplace. Man, listen, I just viewed the video where it say the female cop chose to do this and then the third on the job, and then she gonna turn around and sue that job for 500,000. If you haven't watched that, you need to go check out that video before this video. Go check out that video. She just won 500,000. So I can only imagine. What's her name? Jennifer. Let's see. Jennifer Jacoby. Jennifer Jacoby. Hold on, y'all. This was 4 days ago. About 2 years after spouse. Oh, he was raw. Oh, the story gets deeper. Shawty, you weren't doing your job though. You weren't doing your job. I could just tell by your face. You weren't doing your job. She probably couldn't keep up no more. Jen. Jen. Hey man, it gets deeper. It gets deeper. It gets deeper than what we just seen, y'all. So, I mean, y'all can go research that on your own time. Y'all just gotta be careful out here. Y'all really gotta be careful out here. Like I said, man, this video is for educational purposes to avoid pitfalls in life. Okay, this is real life situations. You can go to a hotel. You can go to a random hotel and see something that you don't want to see, and you need to. Since you watched this video, you're able to avoid situations. Okay, it's just not about what happened in this story. It's about avoiding these types of situations, putting yourself in better positions, so you won't go out like Miss Jennifer husband went out. He went out bad. Bro went out off the fence. Bro went out off the fence and she suing the hotel. She ain't even suing the lady. She suing the hotel. She want all the money. Is that my 8 minutes? Thank y'all. Next video.